Assalamu alaikum, Samir Soge with you. In this video, we'll do a tearboxing of Aputure F7 video light. Tearboxing, you may ask, what is this? Tearboxing is basically unboxing but tearing the box because nobody has got time for unboxing. And why? Because nobody has space for boxes. So let's get straight to it. So this is the box again, and as you can see, it already shows what is present inside the box, so no need to tear it down. But then again, how to use it? So let's get to it. So nice pouch which it comes in, and the LED light, USB charging cable, a good quality ball head to mount the LED light onto something. Let's tire this also. Yeah. Good. So this is that, and a filter, trash, more trash, that's it. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.